Greetings and introductions.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. By the way, my name is Emily. What's your name?
Hey, Emily, I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, John.
Talking about hobbies.
What do you like to do in your free time, John?
Well, I enjoy playing video games and listening to music. How about you, Emily?
I like to read books and watch movies. Do you have a favorite game or song?
Yes, my favorite game is Minecraft, and my favorite song is Zombie by Cranberries. How about you?
My favorite book is Go Set a Watchman, and my favorite movie is Wrath of Man.
Ordering food at a restaurant.
Hi, can I have a menu, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thanks. I think I'll have the chicken sandwich and a glass of water.
Great choice. Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all for now.
Okay, I'll place your order.
Talking about family.
Do you have any siblings, John?
Yes, I have a younger brother. How about you, Emily?
I have an older brother and 2 younger sisters. What do your parents do?
My mom is a doctor and my dad is a teacher. How about yours?
My mom is a teacher and my dad is a businessman.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the nearest bus station?
Sure, you need to take a right at the next intersection and then go straight for about half a mile. The bus station will be on your left.
Thank you very much.
Making plans.
Do you want to go hiking with me this weekend, John?
That sounds like fun, Emily. Where are we going?
There's a nice trail at the nearby park. How about we meet there at 11 a.m. on Sunday?
Sounds good to me.
Talking about the weather.
It's a beautiful day today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The sun is shining and there's a nice breeze.
I'm glad we're not having a heat wave like last week.
Me too. It's much more comfortable now.
Small talk.
How was your weekend, John?
It was good, thanks. I hung out with some friends and played some games. How about you, Emily?
I went shopping with my sister and saw a movie with my mom. It was nice to relax.
Talking about work, school.
What do you do for work, John?
I'm a software developer. How about you, Emily?
I'm a student. I'm studying psychology. What made you interested in software development?
Well, I've always been interested in computers and programming. It's fascinating to see how technology is evolving.
It was nice talking to you, John. Have a good day.
You too, Emily. See you later.